Each ventilation and heating module in sport facilities has an electric motor like this one to spin the fan. The motor has in its backside a cover and a cooling fan inside of it. During the normal operations, dust can clog the cover and reduce the cooling capacity of the fan. For this reason, it's important to clean every year the cover and the fan inside of it. It's an operation that takes around 10 minutes. It requires a brush like this one. It's for dishes, but it's okay. A screwdriver. Each motor can have different screws. It's very helpful to have a set like this one with each type of screwdrivers. It costs around 40 euros. And a vacuum cleaner. First of all, remove the screws around the cover. Then clean the fan using the brush. Do the same with the cover. And then use the vacuum cleaner to remove all the dust. We can do the same operation on these cooling blades. At the end, remount cover and screws. With this operation, the motor will require less power and have a longer lifespan. This is all for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you have doubts or questions, down in the comment or on our website, and see you in the next video.